Hello, I'm Shyla Collier, the owner of Premier Social Media with Premier Business Networking. We're so excited you're thinking about joining us. If you're a woman business owner who is ready to succeed, generate leads, and have a strong supportive community behind you, you're in the right place. We have 3 thriving chapters across the Phoenix area, including the East Valley, West Valley, and the Phoenix Scottsdale group. For more than 13 years, we have helped women take their business to the next level with the service. What makes us different is we don't just network. We teach you how to generate leads on Facebook, and the women in your chapter are actively referring business to you. It's more than just building strong business relationships and using member services. It's also a built-in lead generation system that helps you grow. We keep our membership affordable to make it accessible to all businesses, even startups. Our meetings are only once a month, so you still have the time to focus on your business. Send us your Facebook business link and your city to see if we have an opening for your business. We would love to have you.